because of a bug, sometimes it could happen that your mouse cursor will disappear in Windows 11. So for that you have to like access the mouse setting and like resize the mouse cursor again to like remove the bug. So for that you have to as you can see, my mouse is present, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it without help of mouse, obviously, because your mouse cursor isn't appearing. So first you have to press Windows icon on your keyboard, the Windows key on your keyboard. So once you press that, you will get the search option. You'll have to type here, so you have to type here settings and press enter. So when you press enter, the settings app will be opened and it will automatically be in the find a setting option. In there you have to search for mouse pointer size. So when you like type mouse pointer size, the option will appear. You have to press enter, then you have to press enter again, then it will show you the mouse pointer size. So you have to press tab on your keyboard to browse through options in these settings. As you can see, when I'm pressing tab, it is changing things, like it is browsing through options. And you can know this by pressing a black square will appear, square or rectangle. So now you can see the settings is in the size option of mouse pointer settings. So now you have to press right arrow on your keyboard. As you can see, when you press right arrow on your keyboard, the mouse cursor like in my screen, the mouse cursor becomes larger. So but in your screen it will remove the bug and like show you your mouse cursor in the particular size which you have like selected. So you have to like decrease it to get the normal size, as you can see. So all you have to do is access these settings and increase the size and then decrease it again to the default size. It will like make your mouse cursor appear again. So that's how you fix mouse cursor disappearance problem in Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.